Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you are.
We're just gonna put this up on the map. So we're at this cross street of this one and this one. I'm not sure, they'll label it accordingly which one I'm gonna walk down, but I can see all this different housing. And one of the things that's interesting is the coffee shops, but more than anything is all these rice papers here. So all these rice papers are kind of cool that they have this. I'm gonna put this up on the map, so I'll put this cross street and then we'll kind of meander around a little bit. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're gonna be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is gonna be there. Let's get right into it, as if you were there yourself. Yeah, one of my favorite dishes in Vietnam is like, they take this rice paper, it looks like they put sesame seed in there too. And then you wrap up like rice and your meat and stuff like that. So it looks like they have a whole little thing in here. Looks super cool. I love these. So today, I guess what I'll do is I'll walk down Giáp. This one. Oh, so it looks like it's like almost like a little business or a factory. We'll just do that. Oh, hello. Hey, looks very cool. I like it. She said thank you. So they kind of let those get some sun and dry out a little bit. And then, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's their wrapping paper. I guess that's like a rice paper is what it is. So I don't know how they use it exactly, but I've seen some that are more softer, but I think these they dry out. And if they're softer, they'll, I've seen it like you wrap up different stuff. Some housing. It's kind of all different stuff mixed in here. We're still on our Target Street there. So what I'm doing in this particular video is I'm just giving a taste of what other parts of Danang look like, because it's easy for a tourist just to stay at the beach. There's like a kind of a relatively small area where all the foreigners go. Quite small, actually, can be quite repetitive. And kind of near the beach, Ao Thuong area. And then some foreigners will go down over to the river side. And I think there's no foreigners over here, so I can get like a full-on Vietnamese experience. And I'm not too far from the University of Foreign Studies. Of University of Danang. It's like we're coming to a cross street up here. It's kind of cool. Hello. There's an apartment with a nice chair out front. I bet the rent here is different prices. It'd be kind of interesting. A lot of foreigners are living in Danang, but they all live in the same spot. I haven't seen any out here yet. I was trying to do some research and I just couldn't even find, you know, I was like, where do Vietnamese people go? And it kind of said where the foreigners go, which isn't really true because there's a karaoke place down that way. Now we're kind of on a more interesting street. Let's go across. And we'll take a nail shop. We're gonna keep on walking down. Balconies up there. So we'll walk this way. Okay, this one looks like ice cream shop. So now I can get into more like Vietnamese things, which is much more interesting. This is like a fresh fruit. Okay. Ice cream and tea. I'm a little bit curious. There's another coffee shop over there. And then these are the alleys. I've been seeing these little alleys throughout as I walk. Barbershop. Yeah, I like the way the housing is built around here. Dog in there. Laundry. Let's see here. It's all kinds of interesting stuff. Huh. It's a small little temple right there. Looks like a temple or a house that are quite... Here's another of these alleys as well. Yeah, it's interesting walking around the other areas of Danang. So I bet these apartments would probably be much lower price than those ones where all the tourists go. There's a lot of foreigners going and getting property in all in the same area. Renting, I mean. Okay, let me see, we're at 6 minutes. Those drinks look really good. I might have to sit and get one of those drinks. Let's do a Four Corners. We'll just kind of see what's on the Four Corners here. Milk tea, coffee. Huh. Maybe I'll just keep it short and simple. So this is basically where we're just at. And I think I'm gonna sit over there, get some of that. Let me get one. Show you what I'm gonna get. Hello. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah.
Lemon tea.
Yeah, lemon tea. Yeah. Just one. So I can sit right here. So we get some lemon tea right here. I'll sit in one of these small chairs right here. I can kind of sit and... So yeah, this is we're kind of in a different part of Vietnam, of Da Nang altogether, so I don't think many tourists come here at all. and we're gonna get some of that lemon tea. So maybe we'll end our video.